हेलो एवरीवन। ये जो वीडियो है ये सेकंड पार्ट है चैप्टर नंबर 2 क्लास 12, जिसमें टॉपिक नंबर 2.9 एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन अ कैपेसिटर्स इज अ डिवाइस टू स्टोर एनर्जी. The process of charging up a capacitor involves the transferring of electric charge from its one plate to another. The work done in charging the capacitor is stored as its electrical potential energy. Energy density of an electric field. When a capacitor is charged, an electric field is set up in the region between its two plates. We can say that the work done in the charging process has been used creating the electric field. Thus, the presence of an electric field implies stored energy, or the energy is stored in electric field. Topic 2.10 Redistribution of charges. Consider two spherical shaped capacitors C1, C2 and carry charge Q1, Q2 respectively. Q1 equal to C1 V1, Q2 equal to C2 V2. Two conductors are joined by a thin conducting wire, then positive charge will flow through the conductors at higher potential to that lower potential till their potential become equal. Thus the charge are redistributed, but the total charge still remain Q1 plus Q2. Common potential equal to total charge upon total capacitance, or V equal to Q1 plus Q2 upon C1 plus C2 equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2. If after redistribution charges on A and B are Q1 dash and Q2 dash respectively, Q1 dash equal to C1V and Q2 dash equal to C2V, Q1 dash upon Q2 dash equal to C1 upon C2, V से V cancel. Topic 2.11 Dielectrics. A dielectric is a substance which does not allow the flow of charges through it but permits them to exert electrostatic force on one another through it. A dielectric is essentially an insulator which can polarize through small localized displacement of its charges, polar and non-polar dial. Molecules in which the center of mass of positive charge proton does not coincide with center of mass of negative charge electron is called polar molecules. For example, chlorine and hydrogen HCl is a polar. A molecules in which the center of mass of positive charge coincide with the center of mass of negative charge is called non-polar molecules. For example, hydrogen and hydrogen H2. Polarization density. The induced dipole moment development per unit volume of dielectric when placed in an external electric field is called polarization density. It is denoted by P, sigma P equal to QP upon A. Therefore, surface charge density plus minus del sigma P charge plus minus QP surface area A. The polarization density may be defined as the charge induced per unit surface area. Electric susceptibility. P is directly proportional to the electric field. P यहाँ पे polarization है. P equal to epsilon naught chi E vector. Chi equal to the P epsilon naught E vector. Thus, the ratio of polarization to the epsilon naught times the electric field is called the electric susceptibility of the dielectric. Relation between K and X. Epsilon E E vector equal to the E naught EP. EP E vector equal to the E naught minus E epsilon naught into E epsilon naught, divi- dividing both equations 1 epsilon naught minus x E 1 x minus x or k equal to the 1 plus chi, but epsilon naught sigma minus sigma p upon epsilon naught equal to the p upon epsilon naught E vector equal to the epsilon naught minus p upon E vector. Topic 2.12, dielectric strength. The maximum electric field that can exist in a dielectric without causing the breakdown of its insulating property is called dielectric strength of material. SI unit is voltmeter inverse. Topic 2.13, uses of capacitors in radio circuit for tuning. To produce of desired electric field of desired pattern. Example for Millikan's experiment. In power supply for smoothing the rectified current in the tank circuit of oscillators. Thank you. This chapter will end. This chapter is end.